Hey dudes, today we are going to use the Countif statement to generate quick stats on this list of desktops and desktops. We'll add some quick headings here on the side for new desktops, old desktops, and laptops, or in this case, ProBooks. We start with the equal to Countif, open bracket, A2 to A460. The criteria is open inverted commas, asterisk, disk, asterisk, close inverted commas, and close the bracket. And as you can see, we forgot the T in Countif. For all desktops, they're all the compact elites, and we will type equals to Countif, open brackets, A2 colon A460, and the criteria is open inverted commas because it is its text string, asterisk, compact, asterisk. The asterisks are for all the characters before and after the compact, and close the bracket. And I forgot to close off the inverted commas and press enter, and we have 26 old desktops. We'll do the same with the ProBook, equal to Countif A2 colon A460, and the criteria is asterisk ProBook asterisk close brackets, and there you are, 55 ProBooks in this list.